I see.
And look like
I just don't take a picture here. Oh, my motorcycle is extremely hot. Yeah, when I came here it was more pretty, guys. It looked like they are rebuilding all of this. But it's such a nice area. What do you guys think? Look like now can go to the top of the hill. Interesting. But today, as you guys see, it will rain. And if I come alone, I didn't care about the rain, but I come with my girlfriend, so we care a little bit about the rain. Okay guys, you have example of a Thai temple. I just come here to take some pictures, okay? So now we go. And some of you guys ask me, how the DCT work? So basically, key, turn on, you see, N there, neutral, engage, D, drive. Throttle, done. Just that. It's made to be simple, guys. It's made to be simple. So you find these kind of temples here in Thailand, you take some pictures and we're back. This is just a quick 2-hour trip, go and back, okay? Is not to be the touring around Thailand, is basically just us riding for relaxing, enjoying while don't start the flooding days. And this temple have such a nice area compared. Yes. Oh, I went this one too. This is inside the cave. Okay. Such a nice area. It's a pity it's undeveloped. As you can see, even electric pole don't have much around it. Before we cross a beautiful temple and I need a picture. We got to cross it again. Really beautiful. It's exactly the perfect location. Temple on the mountain. Awesome. Sometimes the road is extremely good and suddenly, like for a few meters, like a minute ride, the road starts really bad. Oh, good again. Have some kind of bird around here in the countryside of Thailand. They always fly extremely low. So between these roads, when it's the season of that bird, you always see a lot of dead birds on the road. They fly extremely low, really near the floor. Maybe like 5 15 to 20 centimeters from the floor. And usually they stay around these trees. This is like a rubber tree. I don't know the name of the tree, but I know that is a rubber tree. It's the main business around this area. Latex. Okay, and we arrived construction. He's explained why the road was a little bit bad on the bike. And look like they will upgrade these roads. Can see by the side of the road that this road probably will have more half lane. Ish. I just washed my motorcycle. Okay, welcome to the ground. We're going off-road a little bit. And on the back of a truck. Okay, 6 kilometers I can speed. Hey. Guys, the wind is so strong here. Suddenly I feel like the motorcycle will drop to my left. The wind was so strong in my head. And now I know why this motorcycle have cruise control. My right arm muscle feels so numb. And as you can see, these trucks always carry a lot of stuff. Look at this. Cool. Cool and dangerous. Okay, I mean cool because it's different from what we see in our developed countries, but it's not so cool because unbalance a lot the truck, they lose control, they hit us. It should be nice to drive something like that. Okay, we are already near home now, guys. You want to stop somewhere or home directly?